You gotta plan roofing. But our tarp stayed. I thought by the inside the tarps would have come off, but they're all in place. I just think it just blew too hard and blew underneath everything. It rained quite a bit too. So, a little bit of yeah, see, that's why water got in, because it's a flat roof. So this is what Rick didn't like it in his bedroom, but you can't even get off this stupid thing. Yeah, so our tarps, yeah, it's not that our tarps didn't stay on, it's just that I think the wind just blew it right underneath it. Yep. Good morning, Vietnam. Wait, it's not Vietnam. It's a war zone now. Timing's everything. That's what I was telling Rick. Perfect time to put a new roof on. Hurricane. Okay, enough of that.